Hi, I'm Kim from the Signature Homes marketing team, and joining me today is Chloe and Bella, and we're taking a tour of this gorgeous custom design and build home. This home was built by the Signature Homes Bay of Plenty and Coromandel team, and let's just first of all take in this beautiful exterior. It gives us a sneak peek of what's to come. Let's take a look inside. Wow, so we are instantly welcome to this property with these incredible views right out across the water, right out to Mount Maunganui. So this is the more casual living space, and where Shelley and Dave, the owners of this property, love to entertain their friends and family. Let's see why. So we're in this space here, which just looks like some walls. But as I pull the door away, we reveal this awesome super glam bar area. You've got this mosaic tile in a product called Penny Royal. So we'll close that off and we'll move into one of my favorite rooms. We're welcomed into this beautiful light and airy space. It feels really relaxed. We've got a soft neutral interior palette in here. And then we've got this incredible view straight out onto the pool. Let's see what upstairs has to offer us. I absolutely love this staircase. It's in a beautiful solid timber and a colour called American Ash, simply stunning underfoot. So we're now upstairs, and as you can tell, Dave and Shelley's home is all very much about open plan living. The spaces are highly functional. Like downstairs, this upstairs area is all about pulling people through to that awesome view. So we're in the kitchen now. I describe this kitchen as discreetly bold. It kind of blends into the space, but is also really truly that touch of luxury. This kitchen bench top is heat resistant, scratch resistant, and mark resistant. Another part I just absolutely love about this kitchen is this gorgeous splashback which pulls through the view. You can see it right there. It creates this awesome mirror effect. So here I am in the scullery, and it's easy to see why you wouldn't mind washing up in this space. So I'm now on the upstairs deck area, which just perfectly flows from that kitchen, dining and living space. The view is just sensational. Okay, so here we have the ensuite. Generous in size and has that luxury hotel feel to it. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this house tour as much as I did. If you are thinking about building, Signature Homes does offer a full custom design and build service, meaning you get one team in one place designing beautiful homes like this. And you also get the added bonus of a fixed price guarantee, a must-have in today's market. Thank you so much for joining me.